हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द और पाइथन जर्नी सीरीज। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं थ्री मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑपरेटर्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट, असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, एंड सेकंड, कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर, एंड थर्ड इज लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स। These are the building blocks for writing condition and updating value in Python. So let's understand them one by one with example. Assignment operator. Assignment operator, these are the used for assign value of variable x. Example, suppose आपके पास कोई वेरिएबल नेम है दैट इज कॉल्ड x एंड उसका वैल्यू है 10 और जिसको आप जिसके थ्रू आप असाइन करना चाहते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्वल टू साइन ही वो असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर है जो x के वेरिएबल के वैल्यू को 10 के बराबर दर्शाता है। सो यहाँ पर हम लोग प्रिंट करने वाले हैं एक्स के वैल्यू को जो हम लोग असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर द्वारा यहाँ पर असाइन किए हैं ना। हम लोग रन करने वाले हैं पाइथन फाइल को एंड यू कैन सी हियर फॉरगेट ऑफ दिस ऑनलाइन एंड यू कैन सी हियर प्रिंट असाइन वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स। यहाँ पर एक्स का वैल्यू 10 के बराबर आ गया। Now, here the single equal sign is the basic assignment operator. It is store the value of 10 inside the variable of x. We also have a shorthand assignment of operators like plus is equal to, minus is equal to, asterisk is equal to, and last divide is equal to. Let's see them in action. Suppose हम लोग के पास x एक वेरिएबल है जिसका वैल्यू 10 है और हम लोग x प्लस इक्वल टू के द्वारा हम लोग इस वेरिएबल में 5 को इंक्रीमेंट देंगे। इसमें यहाँ पर हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इंक्रीमेंट इन द वैल्यू ऑफ x, increment in the value of x is 5 and after increment value of x is equal to आउटपुट 15 आएगा। Suppose x plus is equal to 5 is the same as the x is equal to x plus 5. So the value of x increases by 5. And let's see in the terminal. You can see here increment in the value of x is 5 and after increment value of x is equal to got printed here 15. You can see clearly here after this line we called value of x got increment by 5 and got printed x is equal to 15. Let's move to the another parts. Here is the x is equal to 10 and we want to less 5 in from value of x. Now print the x. We can write here after decrement in x value of x is equal to output 5. X minus is equal to decrease the value by 5. You can see here also in the terminal after decrement in x value of x is equal to goes got printed to the 5. Next line x asterisk is equal to 5 multiple of the value and assign it back. X is equal to 10 and x asterisk is equal to 5 and printing the value of x. Here is the I right here. um, After multi- multiplication in x is equal to, output goes printed to the, after multiplication in x printed 50. Let's move to the another parts, and x is equal to 10 and x back in a forward slash is equal to 5, and printing the value of x, that is called division operators. Forward slash, that is called division operators. So divide into divide 10 by 5, and what output will become 2.0. After division, value of x is equal to, you can see here, after division value of x is equal to 2.0 got printed. And lastly we are going to explain x forward slash is equal to 5 divided the value and assign the result back to x. Notice that the answer is a float 2.0. Now let's move to the another operator, that is called comparison operators. Let's move to the another parts, that is called comparison operators. Let's see comparison operators. These are used for the compare of two values. The result will be always be either true or false. Example, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Print x is equal to y, that got print false because of x not is equal to y. You can see in the terminal what is the comparison. Output will become in terminal comparison value of x and y each. Let's, what is the output will become here, comparison value of x and y is false because of x not is equal to y, so got printed here false. Move to the next part. Here double is equal to check if x is equal to y, since 10 is not equal to 5, so it's give the false output. If I print x not is equal to 5, x not is equal to y, that output will become true. Here is comparison of x and y each. You can see here comparison of x and y is true because of not is equal to check if value are not equal to, since 10 is not equal to the 5, the result is got printed true. If I print x greater than y, that output will be true, and print x less than y, output is equal to false because of x is the greater than y. And a second line number 66, you can see here x less than y, output will be false because of x not ये less than 5. See in the terminal, here is the got printed true and false. Greater than and less than are straightforward. Example: x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10, and printing x greater than is equal to y true, and print next line x less than is equal to y, output will be false. You can see here also greater than or equal to and less than or equal to check both conditions. Now move to our next part, that is greater than and less than are straightforward. Example: x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. Printing the x greater than is equal to y and printing the x less than is equal to y. Here is the checking both condition. First is the greater and second is the is equal, and here is also same, checking the both condition. First is less and second is equal. Both condition will be true because of in this variable we are checking the two condition at a time. That is it. Here is the checking both conditions, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10 also. You can see here x greater than is equal to y, and in the second line x less than is equal to y. X is 10 and y is also 10, so x or y is equal to same and got printed true. And here is also same, x less than is equal to y and y less than is equal to y, because of x is 10 and y is also 10. 10 is equal to 10 is true, they got printed true. You can see here, if you can see here checking the both condition, printed true. And move to the next part. That is called logical operators. Now let's learn about the logical operator. These are used for the combine the condition. Example with ANDs. X is equal to 10, printing x greater than 5 and x less than 5. Because of x, here is x greater than 5 and x less than 15. because x is equal to 10, जो कि 5 से बड़ा है और 15 से छोटा है, तो यहाँ पर प्रिंट होके आएगा ट्रू. Let's run our program in terminal. You can see here, after this line we print this condition will be got true printed here. Move to the next line and return true only if both conditions are true. Since 10 is greater than 5 and also less than 15, the result is true. Example with OR. Now move to the next part. X is equal to 10, print x greater than 15 or x less than 5. x 15 से बड़ा नहीं है और x 5 से छोटा भी नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू हुआ है, बट यहाँ पर कम से कम एक कंडीशन ट्रू होना चाहिए। सॉरी, मैंने गलती से बोल दिया, यहाँ पर दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू है। यहाँ पर दोनों कंडीशन फॉल्स हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ x 15 से बड़ा नहीं है और x 5 से छोटा नहीं है। तो यहाँ पर कम से कम एक तो कंडीशन ट्रू होना चाहिए, तब जाके यहाँ पर ट्रू प्रिंट होगा, अदरवाइज फॉल्स प्रिंट होगा। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द टर्मिनल एंड यू कैन चेक false got printed here because of both condition are false. Move to the next part. Not. Example with not. Is sunny is equal to true. Print not is sunny. Printing the false. Not is the simply reverse the result since is sunny is true. Not is sunny become the false. So you can check here in the terminal. If I run this file, you can check printing the false here. So basically today we are learn about the assignment operator, logical operator and comparison operators. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.